I'll take you through some of its physical.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of How to Wednesday with me, Miss Kimwele, and
Mary. So guys, it's been a minute, but we are back, and today we are going to take you through a product from Yolo Live, the Yolo Box Pro. It is an all-in-one switcher and live streaming device that lets you stream directly to multiple platforms. Nicole is going to do the unboxing and I'll take you through its physical features, and Fauzia will do another video of how to set it up for use. But before then, take a look at this.
we're back with the Yolo Box Pro unboxing. Thank you, Mary. We have the Yolo Box Pro manual.
Yeah.
The quick guide. Your screen protector. And the Yolo Box Pro itself, a must-have for any digital content creator. Please do help me. Thank you so much, Mary.
You're welcome.
And we have the cold shoe mounter. We have the SIM card pin remover. We have the Allen key, the Type A to Type C USB cable, and Type C to Type C USB cable. Over to you, Mary, to take us through the features.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nicole, for the unboxing.
You're welcome.
So guys, straight to the physical features of the device. So on this side, we have the power button. We have a SIM card slot. We have an SD card slot. And we have a screw hole for mounting the device on a camera. On this other side, we have 3 HDMI input ports for bringing in your camera sources. We have a USB Type A port for plugging in your mouse or keyboard. We have an Ethernet port. This one can be used when you want to use a wired internet connection. We have a HDMI output, can be used to monitor your feed on a larger screen. We have a USB Type-C port, comes in handy when you want a 4th camera input. Yeah, you can use it to bring that other camera input as a webcam. We have an 8th jack output, audio output for monitoring your audio. We have 2 1/8 jack ports, input, audio input. One is for mic and the other one is for line. We have a USB port for power that charges the device. Also, the device has an inbuilt battery. On the front, we have an 8-inch screen that is a touch screen. And all around the device, we have ventilation. Yeah. Those are all the physical features we have on the device. Nicole, I don't know if you have any question.
No question. I think that was very, very clear. Thank you so much, Mary, for taking us through the features.
Yeah.
For those of you who would like to purchase this and more, please do visit our offices on Savo Road, South B, Trans Towers, suite number 6. Mary shall take you through the other ways which you can contact us.
Yeah, also you can visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke or give us a call on 0796262028. So until next time with another exciting product from us, bye bye.
Bye.